There are a number of different ways you can research your trade idea without ever having to leave the TD app. A common way is to access markets and research by tapping the menu. From here, you can access quotes, watch lists, and market news, all in one place. First, select which type of investment you would like a quote on. You can choose from stocks and ETFs, mutual funds, options, or indices. Then, in the search box, enter the symbol or company name you're interested in. Tap your choice from the list of results. You will see a snapshot of the current real-time quote, a chart, as well as more relevant information as you scroll down. If you want the most up-to-date info, click Refresh. You will also notice two buttons on the top right corner. This lets you easily add this quote to a watch list or create an alert. We'll cover off watch lists and alerts in more detail later. If you're looking for more, tap View More. This will bring up additional quote details like the high and low for the day, dividend info, and management fees for mutual funds or ETFs. If you're into trading options, you can access related options chains here. To review ratings from industry analysts, you'll find this here. This number shows you the overall rating based on multiple analyst recommendations. And you can also see how many recommend to sell, hold, or buy a security. In News, tap any headline to access the article or hit View More to generate more headlines. We just walked through how to pull up a single quote. But what if you want to pull up your favorite quotes without having to type them in every time? Watch lists are your answer. The good news is that watch lists on the TD app automatically sync with the ones you might have on WebBroker. This means you can choose from a pre-created watch list from WebBroker, or you can create a brand new one. To make your own, click a list and then start adding your securities. Enter the symbol or investment name, then click Add. Once you have your list, you can swipe left or right to view the info. Or you can click Buy or Sell to place a trade. If you want to change the name or delete anything, tap Edit. Just remember, any edits you make here will sync with WebBroker. In markets, you have access to the most popular market indices, like the TSX, Dow Jones, and Nasdaq. International indices are available too. Tap to view the most heavily traded stocks, stocks that have moved the most either up or down, and stocks that are reaching new highs or lows over the past year. You can also access index charts and related options chains. You can also check out the latest market quotes on currencies, commodities like gold and crude oil, and even see how individual sectors in Canada and the US are doing. View them in either list view or heat map view and click on a sector to see a description of each one. Whenever you pull up a quote that has a chart shown, you can tap the stretch icon or the chart itself to maximize the view into landscape mode. The app lets you view charts in two different formats, mountain or candlestick. Simply tap the chart type icon to select the one you want. You can also choose your time frame and frequency, from 1 day to several years. If you tap and drag your finger on the chart directly, you can also see the precise timestamp and quote details at different levels. There is one more item in the Markets and Research menu called Alerts, but we'll cover that item in another video. That's it. Multiple ways to research and track your favorite companies within the TD app.